You gonna count the train cars?
Yes.
How many do you see? Hey guys, well, we're stopped here waiting for the train. I just thought I'd say welcome to the vlog and let you know we are on our way to the doctor. Arlo has an appointment with an audiologist just to have his hearing checked. So we are headed there, and then it's trivia night. So when we're done, depending on what time it is, we may go to the park if we have enough time. If not, we'll head straight to Morgan to pick him up, and then we'll run home for a minute, grab some stuff we need for Arlo for trivia night, and then head out. Hi Bubba. Are you ready to go play at the playground? Yeah, just for a little while before we go get Daddy. Yeah, you go hold my hand, okay? Boop. Good job.
Mom!
Yes?
No.
Huh? Playground, it's right over here. Come on. There you go, baby bear. Go play. One.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and
yeah. Wee. Yay. Wanna swing, Arlo?
Ready, Mom? Ready, Mom?
You ready? Swing!
Push, Mom?
Push!
Then push?
Yeah.
Then push?
Push.
And push?
Push. Push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7,
8,
9, 10,
11. You want to get out?
Okay.
Okay, hold on. He's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, you can go down the slide? Okay. Oh, be careful. I'll meet you over there. You want to push Mama in the swing?
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to sit down. You push me, okay? You ready? Push. Whoa!
Push. Wow.
You ready? I'm gonna push you.
Mama! Boop! Stop! I got butterfly!
A butterfly? Flap your wings, little butterfly. Oh, you're such a pretty butterfly. Which slide are you gonna do, buddy? Blue whale, that's right. Arlo, we're gonna play for 5 more minutes, okay? And then we're gonna go get Daddy. Okay? Arlo. Arlo. Look at Mama. 5 more minutes, okay?
Yay, Bob!
Yay! So good morning, guys. I was editing the vlog just now and I realized that I didn't wrap things up. Arlo's audiology appointment went well. Turns out theoretically he can hear me when I'm talking to him. The reason we took him is a lot of times, and you'll see an example of this in the video, but a lot of times I'll be trying to talk to him or tell him something and he's just in his own world. He's so focused on what he's doing that it's like he doesn't hear me. I can't get through to him. I can't get him to acknowledge sometimes that I'm speaking to him. So we're trying to figure out what's going on with that, and the doctor, the first step was making sure that he could hear me, and he can. So I'm not sure what the next steps are yet. I'm waiting to hear back from the doctor, but in the meantime, you know, Morgan's neurodivergent, I'm neurodivergent, so even if there is something going on, we both know that doesn't mean, you know, there's anything wrong with Arlo. He's perfect the way he is. He's such a smart, kind, beautiful little boy. We just, you know, want to know what's going on so we can better equip ourselves to help him. After the park, and we had a lot of fun, after the park, we went straight to pick up Morgan. Then we went to trivia. We came in second, so we didn't win this week, but that's okay. The music and lyrics portion hit us hard this week. When we lose, that's usually why. Most of the team is like right around 40. We need someone younger because when they give us a lot of like current pop music questions, it's not a good week for us. But even though the music round was kind of hard, we still came in second, so I think that's great. And we got best team name, so that was cool. And then we came home and went to sleep. This week's vlogs that are coming up may be a little different, especially as far as Arlo is concerned, because I'm gonna block out this week and try to potty train him. And the method that I've seen that I think I'm gonna use, you start out the first couple of days, no diaper, no pants, basically naked from the waist down. So that'll make vlogging him kind of hard. But so vlogs may be shorter next week. We'll see what we get. I do know that Wednesday, it'll be Friday's vlog for you guys, but Wednesday for us is our first session this season of Forest School, and I am committing to leading more sessions this year. In previous years, I was leading 1 session a month, and this year I'm going to lead 1 a week at Oxley Nature Center. And so we'll be doing those every Wednesday. Like I said, Friday for you guys. So that is on the table, and that'll be a good vlog. While I've got you here, I just want to say thanks for watching, and if you like these videos, you want to see more, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and if you could go down below and leave a like or a comment, tell me what you guys did potty training your kids, and give me any tips and tricks that you have, because I'm all ears. Arlo's just a little over 3 now, and I think it's time, but it feels overwhelming. So if you could just drop any tips you have, or maybe some words of encouragement, that would really help me out, and we will see you guys later.